Welcome back to our YouTube channel Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about empty set and non-empty set. Right? So by using this set class, we can declare two types of sets, right? So one is empty set, another is non-empty set. Let's discuss what is empty set and non-empty set in today's episode. So see here, an empty set is one which does not contain any elements and whose length is zero. A set object which consists of length 0, so that set object should not contain any type of elements, then that set object is known as empty set. So let's see the syntax. Variable name is equals to set of. So one important point here, if we go to list, in order to declare an empty list, we are going to use this square brackets, and also we are going to use this list function, right? See here, list of. In order to declare an empty list in list object, we are going to use square brackets and list of function. So in order to declare an empty tuple, we are going to use this braces and this tuple of function, right? We are going to use that braces and tuple of function. In order to declare an empty list, we have two type of syntaxes. In order to declare an empty tuple, we have two type of syntaxes. So in order to declare an empty set, we have only one syntax, that is set of. In the sense a set function. By using this set function only, we are going to declare an empty set. So this is a notation of tuple, right? So this is a notation of list, right? So by using these notations also, we can declare an empty set in list and tuple. So what is the notation of this set? Curly braces, right? So by using this curly braces, if we declare an object, that object comes under dict type. So it is not going to come under set type, it is going to comes under dict type. So that is the reason we are not using this curly braces in order to represent an empty set. We are using only this set of function. So let's see the practical way. So I'm declaring an S1 as a set object. In that I'm declaring curly braces. So as I explained now, so this curly braces refers to dict data type. So see here, I'm trying to print the S1 and its type. See here, it shows that S1 is a type of dict type. See here, S1, comma, type of S1. Here, see, type of S1, right? So see here, so this is an empty dict which comes under class dict right here. So which comes under class dict, right? So that is the reason we are not using this curly braces in order to represent an empty set. So to represent an empty set, I am using S is equals to set of. This is an syntax for representing an empty set. See here. Now I'm trying to print the S and its type. See here. See, this is an empty set which comes under class set, right? So, empty set is one which does not contain any elements and whose length is also 0. So, here S, if I access S, there is no elements in S, right? So, let's see length of S. If the length of S is a 0, then it is known as an empty set, right? So, length of S is also 0, which does not consist any element. That object or that set is known as an empty set. So this is an information about empty set. So come here and let's see what is non-empty set. This non-empty set is important. So empty set is also important. How to declare an empty set? We have only one way to declare an empty set, that is this only. If we use directly curly braces, then it comes under direct type. So that is the reason we don't use that curly braces. We use this only set of a function, right? In order to declare an empty set. So let's come to non-empty set. A non-empty set is one which contains elements and whose length is also greater than 0. Whose length is greater than 0, and in that object there should be an elements. So that set object is known as non-empty set. So by 6 ways we can declare non-empty sets. See here, we will see one by one syntax. Let's see first syntax. So here we have declared variable name is equals to, this is a notation for set curly braces. In that curly braces, we have values, value 1, value 2, and so on, value n. That all values must and should separated with commas. See here, comma is there or not? Yes. So let's see this syntax. Now I'm going to declare S1 is equals to this curly braces. In that I'm declaring values 10 comma 20 comma 10 comma 30 comma 40 comma 20 comma 50. This is our values, right? So each value has been separated with commas, right? So this is our variable name called S1. So this is our first syntax in order to represent a non-empty set. See here. Now I'm trying to print S1 and its type. See, so this is our set which comes under class set, right? So we have declared here duplicate values also. That duplicate values has been removed by this set data type and it have given the only unique values. So it is not going to maintain an insertion order, right? So that is the reason it have given randomly, but the randomly displayed elements are unique elements, right? So by using set, we can't store duplicate values. Even though we declare any duplicate values, the set data type will be consider only unique values, no duplicate values. Let's see the length of this non-empty set called S1. See here, this length is 5, right? So whose length is greater than 0 and whose object contains elements, then that object is known as a set object or non-empty set. So the second syntax of non-empty list is that variable name is equals to set of list object. So inside this set of function, we have to give here list object, right? So let's see here. This is my LST. See here, which consists these many values. In that we have duplicate values also. So now I'm trying to print this list and its type. See here, in order to know this is list class, right? So this comes under list class. This is our list value. Now, as per our syntax, I'm declaring S2 is equals to, in the sense variable name is equals to set of list object, right? So LST is our list object. Now I'm going to declare set of this LST. See here. Now I'm trying to print the type of S2 and the value of S2. See here. See here, it has given the value of S2 and which comes under set type, right? So which comes under class set in the sense. So this is our list object. We have converted this list into set and we have retrieved the unique values of that list. So we can convert one list into set type by using typecasting, right? So this is a typecasting, right? Set of list object. So let's see the syntax number 3. Variable name is equals to, here inside this curly braces we have to declare the tuple. This is my tuple. In the set I have declared an tuple, right? So see here, it has taken. So now I'm trying to print the value and its type. See here. So this is our value and which comes under class set, right? So this is another type to declare a non-empty set. So another syntax is variable name is equals to string, right? So let's see here. S4 is our variable name. For that variable name, I am declaring. So this is our S4, which is our variable name that is equals to our str. So for this, our str is Mississippi, right? So now I'm trying to print the type of S4 and its value. See here, print of S4, comma, type of S4. So see here, this is S4, this is our value, which comes under class set, right? So we have converted this str into set. So this is another way to declare non-empty set, right? Let's see the syntax number 5. Variable name is equals to in the curly braces, we have to declare here non-iterable object. Where we have to declare this non-iterable object in the sense, in the tuple, we have to declare the non-iterable object. The fundamental data types are comes under non-iterable objects. So let's see that example. So let's see the syntax number 5. So non-iterable object A is equals to 90. A is a non-iterable object. S5 is equals to, in the curly braces, in the tuple format, we have to declare a non-iterable object called A. See here. Now I'm trying to print S5 and its type. See here, S5, and here also S5. See here, this is our value which comes under class set, right? So this is also one syntax in order to declare an non-empty set. So syntax number 6 is variable name is equals to set of non-iterable object. That non-iterable object must and should declared within the list. See here, A is equals to 78 is one of a non-iterable object. Now I'm going to use this in S6 is equals to set of. In that set of, we have to declare in list. I'm going to declare here an non-iterable object called A. So now I'm trying to print the S6 and its type. See here. So S6 and here also S6, right? So see, this is our value called 78, which comes under class set, right? So by using the 6 syntaxes, we can declare a non-empty set. What is non-empty set in the sense? Which contains elements and whose length is greater than 0. Then it is known as non-empty set. And apart from this, I want to tell one important thing. See here. So I'm declaring a value S7 is equals to Python. See here, Python, right? I'm trying to print the value of S7 and its type. See here. See, this is our value Python, which comes under class str, right? So in order to convert this str into set, I'm going to use s is equals to set of this S7. So it is going to do typecasting, right? So S7 has converted into set type. So see here, I'm going to print value of s and type of s. See here, this is our value of s, which comes under class set. So set is does not allow any duplicate values. By the way, there is no duplicate values in the Python. And apart from that, set does not maintains any type of insertion order, right? So that is the reason it have given random way, which comes under class set, right? So in order to understand this, I'm declaring S1 is equals to word called Mississippi. Now I'm going to typecast this S1. See here. Now I'm trying to print S and its type. See here. So in Mississippi, we have duplicate values S, P, I, right? That duplicate values are all removed and considered under one value. So this set data type does not allows duplicate values. That is the reason it has considered only one yes, and it does not maintain any type of insertion order. Random way the elements has been displayed, so which comes under class set. So in upcoming episodes, we are going to discuss about predefined functions in set data type. That's all for today's video. I hope you all understand. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Aman Codes. Thank you so much for watching.